Wildcard passwords are patterns with an asterisk that match multiple variations. For example, VIP-asterisk accepts VIP-January, VIP-February, or any word after VIP-. Here's when this is useful. Let's say you have premium content protected with a password, and you want to change that password every month for security. Normally, the old password stops working, so you have to log into WordPress, set a new one, and share it again with your users. That's 12 manual updates per year. With wildcard passwords, you set up one pattern like VIP-asterisk and you're done. Every month, you just send your subscribers the new code. All of them work automatically. You never touch WordPress again. To do this, you can use the Password Protect WordPress Pro plugin. Here's how to set it up. First, install and activate the plugin. Lite and Pro version. Then, in your WordPress dashboard, go to PPWP and click Settings. Enable the Wildcard Passwords option and save changes. Now, navigate to the page or post you want to protect. Click Password Protect under the Password Protection column. Then click Password Protect this page. In the panel that opens, go to the New Password tab. Enter your wildcard password, for example, VIP-asterisk. Make sure to include the parentheses around the asterisk. They are required for the pattern to work. Add a label. Select wildcard from the Type dropdown. Then set the usage limit and password expiry. Click Submit. Now your pattern is live, let's test it. Open the page in an incognito window so you can see it as a real user. Enable Show Password to see what you type. Type VIP-July and click Enter. The content unlocks. Back in the dashboard, refresh the password table. You'll see the usage went from 0 to 1. Now let's test another variation. Open a new incognito window and enter VIP-August. It also unlocks the content. The usage counter goes up to 2, but you still only have one wildcard password managing both variations. To create more complex patterns, use multiple asterisks. For example, asterisk VIP asterisk. This pattern accepts any text before and after VIP, as long as each asterisk has at least one character. Now let's test it. Open the page in an incognito window and enter, for example, Spring-VIP-Workshop. The content unlocks because it matches the pattern structure with text before and after VIP. Back in the table, you now have two wildcard patterns active, each managing multiple variations with just one password. If a user enters something that matches multiple wildcard patterns, the one created first takes priority. And if you ever disable wildcard passwords in settings, all patterns become inactive immediately. Users see the password form again, even if they already unlocked the content. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.